So today I'm going to try and get the engine cleaned out and painted or together enough to where I can prime it. The thermostat I ordered, so I won't have that, but I can prime it without the thermostat in there, just prime it the way it is. And then I'll put the thermostat in to paint it, but I sandblasted this, or glass bead blasted it I should say. And inside cleaned up really well. I didn't try and take all the paint out, but the varnish cleaned right out. So I gotta, as you can see, these get bent down. So I'm gonna take them out over to the vise and paint them back. And then I'm gonna sandblast this cover. And if you don't do this step, these will leak. There's not a will they leak, they will leak. So I just open up the vise enough to get that down in there and hammer those back down so that the valve cover pulls up tight. I made this hood so it moves. I can actually fold it up and take it right off the bench if I need to. Fold it back and down, I should say. That looks pretty good. And I'll give it one final wash out in the parts washer. Blow it out really good with compressed air, and it should be ready to go back on. Alright, I got the rocker covers on and cleaned up the old spark plugs and just threw them back in so I don't get paint in the holes, and somewhat masked off the engine. So now I'm going to spray the primer in it, which is this. And then I'll let that dry a couple days and paint it. And these won't hurt to get paint on these for the water pump or the hoses. It actually helps protect it from future corrosion. I don't have a thermostat. I'm just going to prime it. This is only finger tight. I'll put the thermostat in before I blow the paint on it. Looks like it's ready for the blue paint. Let that dry a couple of days and we get a nice day. We'll shoot some blue on it. So I'm going to call it a day. That's going to be it for today. As far as I get done, I got it in the metal etching primer. I'll paint it after the primer dries a couple days. It sounds like it's going to be nasty the next couple days. So we get a nice day, and I'll just roll it to the door opening there and shoot some blue paint on it. And in the meantime, I can work on the transmission. I got a starter, carburetor, a bunch of stuff that still needs to be gone through for the engine to make it operate, but at least I can button it up and wrap it up and set it aside so it doesn't get full of dirt working on the engine compartment undercarriage. But and I want to get the transmission done too before I turn into that stuff, getting dirt everywhere. So I can wrap it really, really good, wrap wrap everything up really nice and protect it. So anyway, it's a day, and if you like my videos, hit the like button. If you want to see this 352 come back to life, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.